How to attract more wildlife to your garden. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to attract more wildlife into your garden. Now, I absolutely love the wildlife, I really do. If I could stay down here and sit and watch the wildlife all day, I certainly would do, but I've got jobs to do. There's always jobs to do down at the allotment. But yeah, I love the wildlife, I love the birds, I love the frogs, I love the hedgehogs. I even love the squirrels, even though they cause damage. I love to see the squirrels down here, and I'll still keep feeding the birds and attracting the squirrels, but oh well, I don't mind, as long as they don't cause too much damage to my allotment and pull up my tulip bulbs. But yeah, how can we attract more wildlife to our garden? I'm going to look at these ideas as well and see if I can do anything more to attract the wildlife to my plot. So add bird feeders and keep them topped up. Now I've got about 20 bird feeders on my allotment. I've got so many, and since I put up my arches, I've put up loads more bird feeders, and we've got blue tits, we've got robins, we've got blackbirds, we've got magpies, we've got loads of birds. Now I've not seen any unusual birds yet. I'm just looking now because we've got some blue tits on my feeders. But yeah, I absolutely love the blue tits, and I've put bird boxes as well so that they can come and nest in the springtime. Obviously make sure you clean them out over the winter so that then in springtime they'll be looking for a house to move into, and they may possibly choose yours. They won't move in if there's signs of life in there already, so make sure you clean them out over the winter period. Leave some areas wild for shelter. The animals love a bit of shelter, so if you leave an area that's wild and animal friendly, and you may get hedgehogs in there, you may get blackbirds hiding in there. They like to hide in bushes and stuff like that, so leave an area a bit of a wild area so that they can enjoy them. Plant pollinator friendly flowers. Now obviously having an allotment, you need the bees to come, so make sure you have plenty of flowers that will attract bees and butterflies, and yeah, bring some. The more bees you get, obviously, the more fruit you'll have, because they'll help pollinate the fruit plants as well. And your courgettes, your cucumbers, your tomatoes, you need all those bees to help with the pollination of the allotment. So yeah, adding pollinator flowers not only gives you fantastic colour and makes it look beautiful, it also attracts the bees as well. Build bug hotels or log piles. I've not got a bug hotel as yet, so I need to get a bug hotel down at my allotment. But yeah, that'll attract like your ladybirds, and obviously woodlice like to hide in them, and all different critters like to hide in bug hotels. So I might have one of those down at my allotment and let them move into it. Avoid chemicals and go organic. Now I don't use chemicals down at my allotment. I'm all organic. I'll dig up all the weeds myself. I won't spray them and stuff like that. I always do it all myself. So going organic will obviously stop killing the pests off as well. So obviously some pests that you don't like, but you work around it, you have different plants to put off different insects coming and stuff like that. So doing all your bit helps in all sense. Provide food, water and safe spaces all year round. Now I've got some bird bowls on my allotment, and the birds absolutely love splashing around in them and enjoying them. But yeah, having bird food obviously attracts mice and rats, but you're down on an allotment, you're going to get mice and rats as well. But I love to see the birds, and they love to come down on my allotment and enjoy it as well. So it's a win-lose situation, but it's up to you if you do it or not. And yeah, I don't know if we've got any badgers or foxes down here, but I need to put my wildlife camera back up as well and see if we've got some more different wildlife coming down to it. I might have to find somewhere to fix it up, because I've got my wildlife camera from when I had some cats coming down. The cats were loving it down on my allotment, and having cats on the allotment, they were eating all the mice and the rats, so it's brilliant to see as well. So yeah, I get a lot of wildlife down on my allotment. So I hope you found these tips and advice useful. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with better.